motherfucker! Crazy motherfucker! Did not die!
You are something else.
Die!
Alright, get ready. Woo!
That's right. That's all you gave me.
No, I'm not saying.
That mask is bad.
Alright, ready? Hey, cool. Get ready.
Let's go!
You understand you're probably gonna die, right?
Yeah.
Where's my sergeant and my chief warrant officer?
They're not here. They're not here.
Sergeant's the one that told them to do it.
I ain't gonna die. CS can't kill you. Just make you nauseous and make you throw up.
With smoke though? I don't know, man.
Alright, whatever.
Let's go do this. Let's do it. Get in there.
That's
Light it up.
You got people watching this besides me?
Hoo-ha! Oh, watching? We can go in there and watch?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, I'm going in there.
Let's go.
Fuck
The
that.
first come, first serve basis.
Dude, let us get in there first. Come on. Yeah, camera people.
Iron Man.
Camera people.
Going in for Iron Man. When you're ready, come up to the door, pound twice. I will be standing right here at the window to let you out.
I'm watching y'all. I'm watching.
One way we get the gas chamber. Where's he at? Where's he at?
Y'all want to hold your cameras?
Where's he at?
Anyone?
Oh yeah! Pull your eyes!
Baby, smoke it!
Smoke it!
Smoke it! Woo! Yeah!
Oh God! You're the man! Take it, take it!
Yeah! Any other takers? Everybody else gonna take their mask off for time from now.
Come on. Somebody.
Yeah, I got for time. See who's your last and youngest. Once you take your mask off, you hand it off to another Marine. Do not forget to get a mask from, you understand?
Over.
You can't hold on, man. You can hold your own mask, but if you put it back on, as soon as you put it back on, you're done. Is that what you guys want to do? Yeah. Alright. Are you putting it on?
Fucking crazy!
No, one more shit.
Hey, when you want to get out, just knock on
What's the time?
When you want to get out, when you put your mask back on, alright?
You knock on it when you put your mask back on?
You can get out as soon as you want. You can stay and watch everyone else compete. Who's all competing? So we got one over here, so we want everybody else on this side. You guys get on this wall, or you get over here. You're not competing, get over here. Fuck it. I'm competing. Where's the competing? On this wall.
I want to get down to it.
Alright. Can we move that? So when you flip out? Yeah, I got it. I'm canceling somebody! Alright, Marines. I'm going to give you a countdown from 9. From 10. Or less than that. When I say 0, go ahead and have that mask all the way off your body. Right next to your chest. Gonna go?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Get that mask on. Oh my God!
Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Focus.
Be the first bitch out, huh?
Focus. Close your eyes. Focus.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Somebody's gonna do it.
Focus. Focus.
Don't breathe. Don't do nothing.
Focus.
Probably fit. Oh,
Let's go, Sergeant. You got it, Sergeant. You got it. You got it, Sergeant.
You'll be next.
We've only got one officer in here. I better have one let the man beat him. I better have one.
Oh.
I think this guy's breathing over here.
Open your eyes!
Open your eyes!
Open his eyes!
It's only been 40 seconds.
Oh, that's good.
No, stay in there! Yeah, two of them are out. Three!
Oh, shit! Stay in there! Oh, my God. Stay in there!
The record since I've been here for 10 seconds.
You're about to break the record. Stay. You're about to break the record. Don't move. You want to break the record. Come on, fight it, man. Fight it. You want to break the record.
Fight it!
Come on, let's go!
Time check. Time check. Time check.
Hold it!
Hold it. You got it.
10 seconds.
You want to break the record. Focus. Hold it. Don't breathe. Don't breathe. Don't breathe.
Hold on!
Go.
Hold on! Oh my God! Hold it!
yeah! Hell yeah!
That was good.
Yo, how do you feel? Hey, what's your name? What's your name, man?
Let's go Horn.
Where you from, man? Where you from?
Texas.
Oh, Texas! Motherfucker's crazy over there. That shit was crazy though. You fucking just broke the gas chamber record. How do you feel?
Still good.
Yeah?
That's for you, Angela and Briley.
Oh yeah, right there. Fucking new gas chamber record.
Where's our Iron Man?
Right here. Hoo-ha!
What are you, was he running up right there? Who's running up? You was running up, right?
Put water for my eyes or something.
Don't put water in your fucking eyes, man.
Don't put water in your eyes.
Hey, good try, man. Did he break the record too?
Yeah, they both.
You both broke the record, but you came in second, which is still good. Fucking nuts.
Still good.
You alright? Wait. Hey, it's alright, man.
Yeah.
It's just a game. You don't gotta cry about it.
Hello, sir.
That was crazy.
Who beat me?
Let's go Horn. Hey, you videotape? Yo estaba tratando, pero no me llegaba la mano.
You keep your lips tight together and you breathe through your teeth and you put saliva.